Okay, we're going to set up a Dell Latitude system password. So you have to type it in before it even goes to Windows. It gives you a double layer protection so anybody can't get into your laptop. Now, this is a Dell Latitude D620, D630, or D820, the system I have here. This is actually a D630. Okay, you want to hit the start button, and as soon as you hit the start button, you start pumping F2 button. So, in watching the top right corner right here, it'll say entering setup, and you can stop pumping F2. Okay, we're gonna hit start now. Here we go, and start pumping the F2 button. Keep pumping it. There you go. It says preparing to enter setup. All right, now we're in setup. Okay, we want to go down to security. So you're going to do the arrow down. Do your arrow down keys. We're going to go down to security. And then we're going to say enter. We're going to press the enter key. Then you get another drop down. We're going to go down to system password. And then we're going to press enter. And here we go, over here on the right. And you want to read here what it does. But you're going to just put the password in there, make up a password. Okay, and just say enter. And type it again. And then enter again. Okay, so it's set now. Now we need to exit. We're going to exit setup. So we want to hit escape down here in the bottom corner. It says exit setup. We're going to hit escape. And then up here we got to move this over to the exit. So we're going to hit right arrow. And then we're going to say enter. And now it's going to okay, we're rebooting now. And so it's going to ask for the password now. There's the screen you get. And now you just type in your password. And say enter. And it continues on to Windows. Now we're going to, I got Windows 10 Pro on here. If you don't make the password the same as your, see I got a password here to get into Windows. Don't make your password the same as your setup system's password. Make them different. Otherwise you're just defeating the purpose. So let me type this one in. And enter. And see, I'm on to Windows 10 Pro. Alright, this is a new channel, people. Like and subscribe. And leave comments. Hit the like button.